Hey there! So you will get $3 for tapping the screen of your phone. How cool is that? Right? So it's really very simple. You don't have to overthink it. And yeah, anyone can do it. Anyone, literally anyone can do it. So if you have some free time, spare time, and maybe you want some money for pocket money or anything else, right? You can, instead of doing something, maybe doing nothing or lazing around, maybe you can put in that time to make some money from your phone. And in this video I will share 4 different methods that is going to make you money by the simple touch of the screen on your phone, and it's going to be really epic. So let's move on to method number 1. Now the method number 1 is make money free cash app. Now this app is really good. It has reviews of 4.7 out of 5, right, on Play Store, and it has over 500,000 reviews, right? So this speaks for itself. That means this app does really pay. So this app, right, is doing really good. Now so let's have a look at these, right? So what we are going to do, you can easily earn money with just a few taps, right? You'll see over here the offers, right? And these are really very simple offers. And once you do them, right, have a look over here, unlimited credits, complete tasks, right? So it's really simple. Watch videos. Yeah, the videos are not that long, right? Maybe a 5-minute video, and that's it, and you get 820 credits or any number of credits, and it's really very simple, right? And you'll get directly PayPal payout, right? So over here, as you can see, $5 is equivalent to 5,000 credits. So if you watched a video, you got 820 credits, right, or any amount of credits, right? So that would be roughly equal to $1. So watch more videos, and yeah, you can pay out at these denominations over here, and it's really simple, right? All right, and then your payout order is successful, and then you will get it in 1 to 2 days. So that's really awesome. And yeah, so as you can see, this app is really good. And let's check out some of the reviews. This is indeed very good. This is indeed very good app. I love it, but expect that the task will cost you a lot of time, a lot of effort. You are a gamer, you will love this app. It will require you to install apps and play games. It is amazing. I wish there is a Mobile Legends in this app while writing a review and GI, right? So all these tasks, if you are installing any app or any of those, right, you will get paid even more. If you do some surveys or watch videos, you might get a little less payment, right? So it depends on what kind of survey you are doing, right? And yeah, and that is why you can see an average of 4.7 stars, because if you want some more money, then you need to do lengthier ones, right? But that is why I've decided that I will share multiple methods, so that you don't have to wait for these services to generate new methods which are shorter and pays more, right? So let's get on to the next app, right? And the next one is this one. So MNFST, and this is really a new one, right? So it's on Google Play, and it has only 4,000 downloads, comments, right? Reviews 4,000, 3.8 star. As far as I know, this is really good. And what their motto is, like, you create posts. Let's see over here, right? So MNFST is a social lifestyle app which helps people become better creators, right? So you will be a creator, and what you're going to do is you will create make a branded photo or video in seconds. So you will make a video for them and then post it with your friends on the social media and then get paid in 24 hours. So that is really good, right? So that is what it is about, right? So we are on a mission to democratize the influencer market. The digital profile is key underutilized asset of our time, and we are here to change that. So that is their mission, and that is why they are paying you, right? All right. So our users have earned $330,000, and it's a new platform right now. And whenever a new platform is into the play, they will pay a bit more than the lower than the older ones. So get on it as soon as you can so that you can make more money, right? So see over here, £1 per post, right? This changed. Sometimes someone got 7.5, right, euros or pound. I think it's pound, right? So yeah, so you just need to do this and submit them, right? Say that you have created this post and keep it up for 24 hours if you are doing it on Instagram or something, and then yeah, they will give you payments, right? So you can check this out, check out this in more detail, right? So it's awesome, right? And moving on to the new method, the third method is survey on the go, right? So this is the application which will make you money on phone, right? So it also has 4.6 stars right over here, and as you can see, what you got to do is just tap on these things. Like, what do you want to do? Want to know about me, or you want to do some entertainment? You'll get money over here, right? $2. These are the service right now, it says. And then yeah, just tick on what are these things, and just click on the buttons, and it takes hardly any of your time, right? It gives you so much balance, right? And it works everywhere. You'll get paid in PayPal, so don't even worry about it, right? So yeah, see over here, Cynthia Serde, you actually get paid out at $10 and have a few options on what type of gift card you want. Service take a while to complete. Some of them I haven't qualified for any service yet, but you do get 0.10 cents even if you don't qualify. So whatever service you get, right, you just click on it, and even if you don't qualify for it, you'll get 10 cents, right? There are lots of things that you can do in this app. Yeah, most service, right? So there are different types of service, and it's really good. So that is why I say, you are going to use multiple platforms to make money. You're not going to be stuck on only a single platform, because as I say, not always they are updated, right? Or they are not updated consistently, and you may not get the task to do all the time. That is why you make multiple sources of income, and that is how you are going to earn some consistent money online. And that is why I recommend to go for all the 4 methods that I'm sharing with you, right? So service on the go, this is the official website, and that was the Play Store, right? So download it now, right? So yeah, and now let's move on to the next one, right? This one, App Karma. So I think you might have heard about this app, but this is really amazing. So you can earn rewards playing with apps, and it's free. You can see, install and get 300 points, right? So as you can see over here, if you can see that 12,500 points is $10, right? So that would be single 1250 points would be $1, right? So you'll get some money right off the bat as soon as you join, right? The thing is, that is best about this is that you can earn referral rewards, right? So that means that if you refer it to your friend, right, if he is also interested or he or she is also interested in making money online, then just refer them, and whatever they do, surveys or anything, right, you will earn not surveys, try out the apps, right? So earn 30% of what your referrals earn, right? So if he earned like $5 or $10, then you will earn $3, right? So you can use YouTube, right, a blog or anything to make your, share your referral code, link, and then you know have them join this program and get 30% of what they make. So that's amazing, right? Karma Play lets you earn daily rewards for playing with apps you have installed on Karma. So App Karma. So now you might be thinking why this company do that. The thing is, if they are rolling out new games, they want the users feedback. So what happens is, generally when they install and play this game, and if they find out that there is some bug or anything like that, then they report it, right? They usually, some may do, some may not do, and that's how they get the feedback, right? And that's how they also get the engagement. So it is a win for them and it is a win for you, because you are just installing and earning the money with the help of App Karma. Otherwise, on Play Store you get nothing, right? Anyways, so achievement badges. Now this is something really interesting. What happens is, whenever you unlock new badge, you will get karma points. Also, you will earn 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer, right? So as and when you level up, you're going to earn even more points, and even more points means even more money, right? So this is really good, because now your income can increase as you are, doing these things, right? So get extra bonuses over here. How you can do that? Install 5 app, watch 25 videos and extra, right? So if you do all these tasks that they will provide, you will earn bonuses also. So it's really amazing. This is kind of one of the companies which is doing this, like achievement badges, which will increase your payout, which means that you are somewhat dedicated to this platform and are providing genuine information, right? So this is what it is. Now you can contact them, right? If you have any suggestions or interested in working with us, so you can choose to contact with them, right? So you can use any of these, right? So yeah, so this was it for the video. I hope it made some sense. If you want to earn full-time income online, right, if you want to build a system around it, and the system will work automatically even while you're in sleep, if you want to do something like that, then check out the first link in the description down below, where you will earn anywhere from $100 to $1,000 consistently every day, right? It does require some effort, but if you do the work correctly and set it up correctly, you will definitely make that much amount of money every single day without you having to do anything. So that was that. And make sure to follow me on Facebook, and yeah, you can check out my Medium as well. I will be giving down that link in the description, where I will share posts on how to get started with online business or something related to that, right? So enjoy your weekend, enjoy the new year that is going to come, and yeah, so have a nice day.